Tutorial is to show you how to create a function in JavaScript. So what I'm going to show you is how to create a function where you can have a number 3 at these points here. And what we're going to start with, obviously we're going to start with move, because we would like our dog, I'm going to call him Doug, to move, and then he is delivering 3 pancakes at these particular tables here. These intervals every other table. So I'm going to start with move, and then I'm going to start with make pancakes. And what we need to do is we need to write a function for make pancakes. So I'm going to go to the bottom here, and I'm going to type in function make pancakes, open, close parentheses, and then I'm going to open a curly parens, open, and then I'm going to type football, open and close, football, open and close, and colon, semicolon, and again. And then I'm going to close the curly parentheses. So now if we run this, let's see what it's going to look like. Okay, so there should be 3. So let's keep on moving on here. So now we're going to have Doug move 2 spaces. And then we're going to have Doug add or deliver 3 pancakes. We're going to add our function. And we're going to do semicolon. So let's see what happens here. So now I'm going to continue. Move. Move again. And then make pancakes. And let's run our program here. So now what we want to do is we want Doug to move 1 more space. And let's run it again. And here we go. Thanks for watching.